Hey, Ron, thanks a lot. Actually, I'm just getting some late breaking information here from the National Weather Service. They are now saying that an EF-0 tornado hit both Tomball and Eagle Lake yesterday. So 2 confirmed touchdowns here in the city of Houston, or in the Houston area, I should say. Tornadoes over the last 36 hours, that does include the 2 here in Houston, 4. So we had 42 wind reports, 42 hail reports for a total of 88. And zooming right on down, you can see there's the Tomball tornado and the Eagle Lake tornado there, both showing up on our graphics. So an active afternoon certainly yesterday. Today enjoying much more pleasant weather. You can see the fair weather cumulus clouds out there. Beautiful afternoon. A perfect evening ahead and a beautiful Sunday fun day as well. But we are monitoring now the potential for flooding as we get into Tuesday. Temperatures holding in the lower 80s this afternoon. 85 degrees at Hobby and 84 degrees down there at West Columbia. Radar nice and dry this evening, so you can leave those umbrellas at home as temperatures continue to drop down through the 70s. But again, we're going to talk more about those rain chances coming up here in just a few minutes.
All right, thank you so much.